We outside. Yes. Probably got about 3 inches of snow so far. Oh, look how nice. Snow makes the city look pretty. Me too. Look handsome. See the stop sign? No one stops up. Not a great day to be driving. Oh, I got nice the trees look. I'm outside in it. Patrolling the neighborhood. See if anyone needs any help during the snow emergency. Alright guys, I'll report back after I get to my destination. Like I said, I was walking for 3 miles now. Snow's coming down hard. Trying to make it to this convenience store. I forgot cat food and I love cat food for dinner, so get it right there. Alright guys, almost here. I was walking along, that tree just lost a big branch. It's gonna fall in the road. Hit the convenience store for a few snacks. It's gonna be a long day. Yeah. How we going, buddy?
Yeah.
Enjoy the snow. It's my buddy Raji Patel. As I was walking in the store, a big branch broke off a tree across the street. Just wet, heavy snow. You gotta be careful. I don't even want to walk onto this one. I'm violating a city ordinance. I'm walking right down the middle of the street. I'm really out here. I'm like a 4-wheel drive. This guy's coming right for me. This guy's violating a city ordinance. Slow it the hell down. Slow it down. Slow it down. You too. Oh, way too fast. Stupid neighbors put their trash out. Trash day is delayed a day because of the storm. It was all over the news. Well, if you made it this far, guys, appreciate you watching. Enjoyed making the video for you. Hope you enjoyed it. And remember to like and subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. Plenty more content coming out. Lives, shorts, everything. Keep you guys entertained. Alright guys, have a great day. Snow Emergency 2024. Signing out.